So a result from Mystic 2.5 is look really realistic. While looking at this one, it's look like it's coming towards me, and anytime it's going to play like a video. It's so much realistic. I love the result. With the Flux 1, the generation is using only 10 credits. But let me tell you, Flux 1, Flux 2, there's a whole lot more difference in between them. And Flux 1 is really fast to use and you just create it within just seconds, right? Information is not that much good as compared to Flux 2, but the results are good. Also is really fast. 10 or 5 seconds it just generated the image for me. Flux 1.1, let's try to generate this one. Meanwhile, it's generating. Let's try to use another model because FreePic is really fast to generate. And now Flux 1 Realism. Let's try to generate it. Meanwhile, we are generating. It actually generated another image. It's really fast to generate. And with Flux 1.1, the results is awesome. We can see so many images that has been generated, and we can actually differentiate what type of model we wanted and for which product we can use. For the graphic design, negative prompt, let's try to ideogram also generate it. Meanwhile, ideogram is working on our prompt. We have to check for the another model, that is Google Image Gen 3. Also, let's try to generate with this one. Let's try to again generate with all models. Gen 4, let's try to generate this one. Ideogram has created a result, actually created a human face, and this is what I loved about this model. It actually work on portrait. And now let's go to this one, Google Image Gen 3. It has generated a vague result, but as far as I can understand, it's good. Because of the contrast, the details it's not very visible. And about this one, Google Image Gen 4, it's look like that a beginner Photoshop artists have tried to create a image or tried to add a creative. As far as I understand, it looks like Image Gen 4 is really fast, but it has generated a really vague result and I don't like it that much. Compared to all these generation, I don't really like it. But now let's try to again generate with the model Image Gen 4 and let's try to generate this one. And again let's try to generate with after the Image Gen 4 we are using Image Gen 4 Ultra. Let's try to generate this one, and with the Image Gen 4, so it has generated a gladiator for me. It's look cool but not that detailed. So now Image Gen 4 is also good, but let's try to use it Ultra. Okay, Ultra has given me a different result and I loved it. Yes. But one thing I don't like about the image generation up from the Google is that it actually gave me a result that has very so much contrast. So because of that, the details we might not able to see because of the so much shadow and so much, and the shadow has the contrast, the darkness in the image, right? Now let's try to use another model, that is Google Nano Banana, and let's try to generate with this one. And meanwhile it's generating, let's try to generate with the Google Nano Banana Pro and again generate Google Nano Banana True. Let's try to use Google Nano Banana. No, we do not have Google Nano Banana 2 right now, but it has shared us, so let's try to use it right now. So we have used it. Now let's try to generate with Google Nano Banana 2. And meanwhile Google Nano Banana has given me a result. So it's look like a alien predator to me and it's look good, not bad. But the results are not that detailed. But Google Nano Banana Pro is really good. The results here and the details. And now let's try to use a different model. Meanwhile Nano Banana 2 is working on our image. Now let's try to Flux 1 fast. And let's see if we have selected Flux 1 before. Yes, we have Flux 1. Now it's is Flux 1 fast and its generation time is actually 7 seconds. Wow. Now let's try to use this one and generate. let's try to use GPT and generate again. Google Nano Banana 2 is really slow right now, but meanwhile, Flux has given us a result. It's not that detailed, also because it might be a 4-step image in the generation, but results are okay, but the details are not good. The detailing is not that much up to the mark. Now let's try to check this one. We have used a GPT. Cool, it has used a different aspect ratio, but yes, the results are actually it's looked like a statue. Don't worry, but still working. Okay, no problem. Now let's try to use another model, that is Flux GPT-1 HQ, and let's try to generate it with the 500 carats. It's using actually 500 carats. Wow. So this is really important for you to understand that GPT-1 HQ is actually using 500 carats. It's way too much, right? Now let's try to use it from a standard 3:2 ratio, and okay, so Google Nano Banana 2 has been failed to generate the result. Now meanwhile it's generating again, let's try to use a GPT-4. Let's see it. And also it's actually getting really interesting for me to see what type of result they will both give. Google Nano Banana 2 has given me this result. The details are good. It's actually a good result, but again, like we have discussed before, Google image generation is not that much good because of the contrast of the images. But right now, the GPT-1 HQ has generated our image that is actually really detailed one. I love this one. It looks really realistic and it has been generated within 500 carats. Now let's try to use another model, that is GPT 1.5, and let's see, it's using 150 carats. Meanwhile it's in queue. We have to check for the another model, Q 1.5 high, and it's using 500 carats again. Wow, only image generation is 500 carats. We can actually generate a video out of these carats. But don't worry, let's try to generate this one. And but also with the GPT 1.5, it is really good. The results are really good. I loved it. The detail of a raindrop itself is really realistic, and we can see that, and we can tell that it has been captured from the camera, right? Now let's try to use another model. Meanwhile it's working on another model. Let's try to use a Seed Dream 4. With Seed Dream 4 we are using a wide screen camera here, a 50 generation with the model of Seed Dream 4. Let's try to use 4K, Seed Dream 4K, and let's try it again. GPT 1.5 high is also has given me a result. The raindrop is actually a realistic one. I loved it. No doubt about it. They have generated within 500 carats, but they have gave me a result that is more satisfying to see. Wow. Now Seed Dream 4 has given me a result that I like it. With the horn, yes, it's actually a different result. It is actually me, and so now it is actually a gaming character, a realistic gaming character, right? Now let's try to see a Seed Dream 4K. Yes, it is kind of a foggy, mystic image, dreamy image, but results are good to see. Now let's try to run it with the different model, that is K, and now I'm using 4.5 generate. They have marked runway as deprecated, so right now image generation using runway is actually with the less value. This model has been deprecated this month. Please use Seed Dream 4.5. So we can't use runway this time. Why? Because the runway model has been deprecated. Because maybe of less popularity they have deprecated it. But now let's try to use a classic fast, and let's try it with the generation of 1. Whenever I see a 500 credits, it's really bad to see, but whenever I see a only 1 credit, it's really good to see. But classic fast has given me a result that is almost a good. It's really good, no doubt about it. It's gave me a fast and really good result, right? But the detail is not that much good, but the results that is gave me and the speed it in which it has been generated is awesome. It's really cool to see it. And one more thing, Seedream 4.5, it's good. Now let's again with the model of classic fast, and we are using classic, and I'm using only 5 credit here with the classic model. I recommend you to use classic first so that you will get the idea. Now let's use Mystic 1.0, generate classic results. This is really bad. I recommend you not to use this one with the classic. You can use a classic fast. It actually gave you a good result. So now you can see Mystic 1.0. The results are good. Let's try to generate with the Z image model. Now let's go to our Queen and generate. Z image has given me a result. It's good but not that detailed, right? So now check for the Queen image. Queen has given me a result. It's okay. No doubt it's okay. And with the different model we have only 3 model to check. Let's try for the Grok one and generate. With the different model, let's select meanwhile recraft vol v4 and 60 carat. With the all models, let's try to use it with the pro, and these are new models they have introduced. And also Grok results are good. It's actually good, right? Now let's see what it has given me. So v4 is really good to see, no doubt. It's really awesome to see this result. It has actually given me a different result. Recraft v4 pro, the results of this one is totally different, out of this world. The way it holds its hand and the way it sitting inside rain is really love to see. The details are really good. The results are really hyper realistic.